Top 11 truck engines that refuse to die. 500,000 miles. That's the equivalent of 20 times around the Earth. Most engines would have long since given up, but not these legendary power plants. We're counting down the top 11 truck engines that defy the junkyard, outlasting their competition by hundreds of thousands of miles. If you're looking for durability, reliability, and raw power, these workhorses are the best of the best. Let's dive into the champions of longevity in the truck world. 11. Chevrolet 4.3L Vortec V6. The V6 that thinks it's a V8. The 4.3L Vortec V6 has powered trucks like the Chevy S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon, often surpassing 290,000 miles. Since its debut in 1985, this engine has been a reliable workhorse, proving that you don't always need a V8 to get the job done. Why it lasts so long? Heavy checkmark built like a V8. The 4.3L Vortec is essentially a Chevy 350 small block with 2 cylinders removed, making it inherently balanced and easy to maintain. Heavy checkmark cast iron block and heads maximizes durability, ensuring long-term reliability. Heavy checkmark fuel injection upgrade. In 1996, it received an MPFI multi-port fuel injection system, improving fuel efficiency and extending its lifespan. If properly maintained, the 4.3L Vortec can last well over 300,000 miles, making it a budget-friendly powerhouse for work trucks and daily drivers. 10. Toyota 3.0L 3VZ EV6, Toyota's underrated legend. Toyota has built its reputation on reliability, and the 3.0L 3VZ EV6 is no exception. Powering Toyota pickups and 4Runners from 1988 to 1995, this engine has proven its off-road and on-road durability, often reaching 300,000 miles and beyond. What makes it so durable? Heavy checkmark cast iron block and aluminum heads, a combination that ensures strength while saving weight. Heavy checkmark under-stressed factory tuning. The 3VZ wasn't built for speed, but its conservative design prevents premature wear. Heavy checkmark proper maintenance keeps it alive. Regular timing belt replacements and coolant flushes are key to longevity. While it may not be as famous as Toyota's 22R or 2JZ, the 3VZ is an underrated gem in the truck world, proving that Toyota's engineering is built to last. 9. Ford 300 Inline 6. The indestructible workhorse. Ford's 300 cubic inch 4.9L Inline 6 is a legend. Found in F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996, this engine has been known to outlive the truck itself, frequently surpassing 300,000 miles. Why it's one of the best? Heavy checkmark's simple and bulletproof design. With 7 main bearings and a single camshaft, there's very little that can go wrong. Heavy checkmark cast iron block and head adds exceptional durability and allows for multiple rebuilds. Heavy checkmark low-end torque monster, perfect for towing and hauling. Dubbed the tractor engine of the F-Series, many of these engines are still running today, proving that sometimes simpler is better. 8. Nissan VQ40DE 4.0 LV6, Nissan's hidden powerhouse. Nissan might not be the first name that comes to mind for long-lasting truck engines, but the 4.0L VQ40D V6 is a true survivor. Found in the Nissan Frontier and Titan since 2005, this engine has crossed the 250,000-mile mark with ease. What makes it a long-lasting engine? Heavy checkmark aluminum block and heads helps save weight without sacrificing durability. Heavy checkmark timing chain instead of a belt reduces maintenance needs and enhances long-term reliability. Heavy checkmark advanced variable valve timing improves efficiency and performance across all RPM ranges. This engine is part of Nissan's award-winning VQ engine family, and while not as well known as Toyota's truck engines, it deserves serious respect. 7. Duramax 6.6L Turbo Diesel, a 500,000-mile beast. For GMC and Chevy truck owners, the Duramax 6.6L Turbo Diesel is a true badge of honor. Found in the GMC Sierra HD and Chevy Silverado HD, this engine is known for lasting over 500,000 miles. Why it's an absolute tank? White heavy checkmark iron block and aluminum heads provide strength while reducing weight. White heavy checkmark common rail injection system delivers efficient fuel use and longevity. White heavy checkmark 6 head bolts per cylinder ensures tight seals under high boost pressure. The Duramax 6.6L has become a legendary diesel engine, proving itself on the job site and highway alike. 6. Toyota 22 are inline. 4. The bulletproof legend. The Toyota 22 are 2.4L inline. 4 helped build Toyota's reputation for reliability, powering Toyota pickups and early Tacomas from 1981 to 1996. Why this engine will never die. White heavy checkmark cast iron block with an aluminum head, built to last a lifetime. White heavy checkmark simple, low-stress design. This engine wasn't designed for power, but for longevity. White heavy checkmark many examples surpass 400,000 miles. Properly maintained 22 rupees can seemingly run forever. The 22R is the very definition of indestructible, making Toyota one of the most trusted truck brands in history. 5. Dodge 5.9L Magnum V8 and Mopar Classic. Dodge Ram owners, this one's for you. The 5.9L Magnum V8, found in Ram 2500 and 3500 models from 1994 to 2003, has been known to push past 350,000 miles with ease. What makes it a long-lasting monster? White heavy checkmark deep skirt engine block provides extra support for the crankshaft, reducing wear. White heavy checkmark oversized bearings ensures long-term durability. White heavy checkmark hydraulic roller camshaft reduces friction and extends engine life. If you want a V8 that keeps going no matter what, the 5.9L Magnum is a proven powerhouse. 4. Chevrolet Small Block V8, the heart of America. Chevy's Small Block V8 has powered trucks since 1954, evolving into 5.3L and 5.7L versions that have pushed well beyond 500,000 miles. Why it's an American icon. White heavy checkmark compact design with great cooling reduces heat stress on components. White heavy checkmark simple pushrod layout. Fewer moving parts equals fewer problems. White heavy checkmark constant improvements over decades. Chevy kept refining the small block without overcomplicating it. This workhorse V8 is one of the most rebuildable, customizable, and long-lasting engines ever made. 3. Ford 7.3L Power Stroke Diesel, the million-mile machine. Ford's 7.3L Power Stroke V8 is often called the million-mile engine. Found in F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks from 1994 to 2003, many of these have crossed the 500,000-mile mark. 2. Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel, the king of longevity. The Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel has powered Ram heavy-duty trucks since 2007 and has been documented to exceed 520,000 miles. Why it's the best of the best. White heavy checkmark iron block and head, built for extreme durability. White heavy checkmark gear-driven camshaft eliminates the need for a timing belt or chain. White heavy checkmark common rail injection reduces wear and improves fuel efficiency. There you have it, 10 legendary truck engines that just won't die. Which one would you trust for the long haul? Let us know in the comments. Articulated lorry fire. 1. Honda J35 3.5 LV6, the underrated powerhouse. If you're looking for a truck or SUV engine that balances power, reliability, and longevity, the Honda J35 3.5 LV6 deserves a spot on this list. Found in Honda Ridgelines, Pilots, and even some Acuras, this engine has been known to hit 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. What makes the J35 so reliable? White heavy checkmark aluminum block with cast iron cylinder liners provides durability while keeping weight low. White heavy checkmark SOC VTEC system improves efficiency and power delivery across the RPM range. White heavy checkmark timing belt design. While it needs periodic replacement, it keeps the engine running smoother and quieter than a timing chain. White heavy checkmark bulletproof transmission compatibility. Paired with Honda's strong automatic transmissions, the J35 is built for both power and longevity. Why it's a great truck/SUV engine. The Honda J35 may not be in a full-size truck, But its incredible reliability, smooth performance, and excellent fuel economy make it one of the best long-lasting mid-size truck and SUV engines on the market. Owners regularly hit 300,000 miles and beyond without major failures, making this one of the best V6 truck engines ever made. Final thoughts. The J35 V6 might not be the first engine that comes to mind when thinking about ultra-durable truck engines, but it absolutely deserves a place among the legends. Whether in a Ridgeline, Pilot, or Acura MDX, it continues to prove that Honda can build a truck engine that lasts. Sport Utility Vehicle Fire.